So guys, welcome back to another new update. I'll be brief about this one. Now I'll be showing you a trick on how to get a particular player from Konami PS 2020 or Pro Evolution Soccer 2020. There are two steps are set to this particular trick. So I advise you sit down and relax while watching this video, and I recommend you watch to the end. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also share to your friends. Thank you. So I'll be silent from now. Just watch and see, friends. So let's try out the Portugal's pack, and then let's try to sign Ronaldo. You have to click Ronaldo 2 times very fast, and on the last one you have to sign. I don't know if you have noticed, but Konami usually give out two players, two same player, or triple to some people because they click so fast. So that's how this trick work. So you have to be fast about it, but you are not going to send him really. Okay, so we got Ruben Diaz. Let's try it again. Hopefully we will get Ronaldo.